Take a ride in the 2021 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.